Yes, ready for dictation. Start. A very novel argument was raised by the learned counsel for the state before us that the judgment supplied by the learned counsel for the appellant pertains to the year 1986, and the concept of supplying documents in an inquiry was prospective in nature, and as the inquiry was held in 1974, the principles of natural justice will not come into play. Stop. We are afraid that this submission of the learned counsel for the state is also not tenable in law. Stop. The law is consistent on this aspect of the matter. Stop. The Supreme Court in Krishna Tandon versus the Union of India within bracket 1974 for Supreme Court cases 374 has held in paras 12, 15 and 16 as under. Stop. The High Court came to the conclusion that except in case of two items, the decision of the Commissioner of Income Tax was based on evidence. Stop. That however does not make any difference to the punishment, as the punishment can be supported on some finding of substantial misdemeanor. Stop. The first charge sheet was described as memo. Stop passage. But it mentioned the charges and asked to show cause as to why he should not be suitably dealt with. Stop. It cannot be contended that there was no charge sheet contemplating formal inquiry. Stop. It is not necessary that the contemplated punishment should be mentioned in the charge sheet. Stop. When the complaints were received by the Commissioner, he called for the reports from the inspecting Assistant Commissioner. Stop passage. The delinquent was not entitled to copies of these reports unless the inquiry officer or the disciplinary authority relied on the same. Stop. It is an admitted case of the parties that the doctor who gave a report that the appellant was under the influence of liquor, a charge against the appellant on account of which he faced disciplinary proceedings, was not examined. Stop. His report was relied upon to inflict to the case of the appellant. Stop. In our opinion, non-supply of such report and the inquiry report which was used against the appellant has caused serious of prejudice to his case. Stop passage. Therefore, the order passed by the learned single judge ignoring his legal and factual aspect cannot be sustained on the eyes of law. Stop. The same is hereby set aside. Stop. The inquiry proceedings are quashed. Stop. As the appellant has died during the pendency of the appeal, the respondents shall make the payment of all the consequential benefits, including the family pension, to the legal heirs of the deceased. Stop. Over.